Hi, I'm Raghava Kashyapa, CEO and founder of Politas Technologies. And if you're watching this, you're probably intrigued by how machine vision can help you in your application in your industrial environment. But you may also be very frustrated over the lack of practical content, know-how, tips, and knowledge of how to actually use this. Start using and system integrating solutions and components to solve real-world industrial automation problems. And this is why we've launched this absolutely free, yes, you heard me right, absolutely free tutorial that is taking 15 years of all the practical knowledge that we've gained and put this into a 2-day series, a video series. Now, why are we doing this? We want to share what we've learned with you so that you're able to take machine vision and apply it to the best of abilities and to get the most effective outcome that you deserve for your application. So why should you care? Well, if you're a business owner, a CXO, or an executive running a large team, then you're probably wondering why machine vision could be useful, where it can be applied, and more importantly, where it cannot be applied. What business impacts it can drive for your organization? What ROI can you get? If you're a practitioner, an application engineering manager, or someone who is actually very practical with industrial automation projects, then this tutorial is going to help you with tips and tricks and actual practical content of how you can implement projects, small and large, with advanced technologies and traditional rules-based technologies into your production line and solve real-world problems. So we're not pushing any specific product or brand or application. This is going to be a general knowledge about and technical expertise that we're sharing with you on a very practical level, irregardless of which brand of maybe camera or software that is going to be applied. So whatever your profile, this is going to be immensely useful and well worth the time to spend in watching and going through this tutorial. So are you ready to join me on this journey of taking your machine vision integration knowledge to the next level? So if so, sign up, and I look forward to spending the next few hours with you on this journey. Thank you.